Thank you for purchasing the Abilize Stride Sport. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Abilize Stride Sport should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut the tape and any straps with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once opened, your scooter should be packaged like this. Lift out the seat and set it to one side. Begin removing excess cardboard and bubble wrapping and cut off any tape. Twist the dial on the front of the scooter to unlock and raise the tiller bar. Lift out and set aside the front basket, which also contains the battery charger and instruction manual. You can now access the main scooter body. Lift off and set the battery to one side. We do not advise lifting out the scooter body as a whole unattended, as it is quite heavy. Instead, pull the red lever behind the seat post to split the front and rear sections of the scooter body. You can now lift out both halves at a reduced weight. With all the components removed, you are now ready to begin assembly. Your scooter should come with an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains useful information on the assembly, basic maintenance and best use of your product. Please keep the ignition key in an easy-to-remember location. Raise the tiller bar and drop the battery back into place. Please remove the lock nut and press the circuit breaker button to activate the system. Now it's time to add the seat. Remove any plastic wrapping, then drop the seat onto the seat post. Raise the swivel handle underneath to swivel the seat side to side and to lock it in a fixed position. Now you can attach the front basket. Slot the basket on the designated grooves on the tiller. Now it's time to attach the armrests. Twist the handle knobs on the underside of the seat until this slot is clear. Then slide the armrests into the side of the seat. Once you have found a comfortable width on the armrest, secure them in place by tightening the knobs. Repeat this process on both sides. Insert and twist the ignition key to activate the scooter. Your Abilize Stride Sport is now fully assembled. Please keep all your packaging safe and in the dry, just in case you wish to return the item. For more information about the Abilize Stride Sport or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.